Hi there, I'm Cherie with the Mobile Internet Resource Center, and this is a periodic update to the top cellular data plans that we recommend for RVers, cruisers, and nomads who are trying to use cellular data as a home internet replacement. Now, when we're looking for data plans, we're not just looking for data that we can use on our smartphone or our tablets. We're looking for data that we can use as a hotspot. Whether we're sharing it as a Wi-Fi network or over a cabled Ethernet network in our RVs and boats and other things that we do as we're mobile, we're wanting to get laptops online, streaming devices online, home security systems, and all these other things that you would do in a typical home, because when we're traveling, home is on the road. So these are the top cellular data plans for each of the major carriers, and if this is being filmed in March 2019. If you're watching this, I'd say more than 3 or 4 months after that, check the links in the description to see if there is an updated version of this video, because this stuff changes all of the time. All right, let's start with Verizon. The top pick data plan for Verizon currently is still the prepaid unlimited jetpack plan. It's $70 a month, or if you sign up for autopay, it's $65 per month, and it is available on mobile hotspot devices, which Verizon brands as a jetpack, and it is unlimited data with no caps or throttling. It is, however, always subject to network management, which means if you are in a congested area, you will likely see slowed down speeds during times of congestion, but it should be temporary. That plan has now been around since November 2018, and it has become a very popular option with our audience. Still a great option, still available from Verizon prepaid. The next top Verizon plan is with Visible, which is a wholly owned subsidiary of Verizon on their prepaid network as well. It is a smartphone plan available for iPhones and now some Android devices. All data is always capped at 5 megabit per second, but that data is available both on device on your smartphone and as used as a mobile hotspot to get a laptop or other devices online. It is a great option at $40 a month, flat, no extra fees or anything like that. Now, the other two options on Verizon is going with their postpaid unlimited data plan for smartphones. Those plans, you have two different options. You have Beyond Unlimited and Above Unlimited. They only include 15 or 20 gigabytes of high-speed mobile hotspot use, but data is unlimited on your smartphone, and deprioritization starts either at 22 gigabytes or 75 gigabytes, depending if you go with the Beyond or the Above Unlimited data plans. If on-device data is what you are trying to use, those could be great options as well. The other option, and we keep mentioning it, is those grandfathered, those legacy unlimited data plans back before there was a such thing as network management or throttling. It is pretty much impossible now to get a plan owned on your own, but there still are rental vendors out there that are able to lease you a line on their corporate accounts. It is very much against Verizon's terms of service. It is subject to it being shut down at any time, but it is still an option out there if you need high priority unlimited data on Verizon's network. Those prices usually start about $130 and go up to $250 per month, however. So it is a pricey option. We recommend trying that prepaid unlimited data plan first to see if it'll meet your needs. All right. AT&T, the nation's second network, but it's also pretty darn fast, and they have expanded their coverage quite a bit in the last year or so. The top options on them, if you go direct with AT&T, is their wireless internet plan. It's a large square device, and it has an Ethernet port out, and it also has a phone jack in it. But this plan, you can get 100 gigabytes of data for $100 per month, but it has to be on that specific device. You can't use it with other mobile hotspots or other routers. It is tied to that device, but that is an option if 100 gigabytes will meet your needs. If you need more, you need unlimited data, going with one of the rental vendors that are out there, something like NetBuddy or OTR Mobile. There are a lot of other vendors out there that are selling various unlimited data plans starting at $60 a month, and we see them go up to $199 per month. Those are an option for unlimited data on the AT&T network. There is also still the tablet prepaid data connect plan. That's $29.99 per month. These plans are prepaid plans on AT&T's network, and they are intended to use on a tablet. Officially, they do not include any mobile hotspot use. However, you will find lots of vendors out on eBay that will set you up with one of these plans by activating it on their tablet and then giving you access to the SIM card to use on any data device that's compatible with AT&T. It is technically against AT&T's terms of service to use those SIM cards in those data devices for mobile hotspot use, but at present time, there does not appear to be any crackdown on this. Just know, go in eyes wide open, that could change. The other option that has come on the scene is if you own an Airstream, you can get an unlimited data plan for $360 per year if you install Airstream's connected kit, which it costs $9.99 plus installation, and it is only available to Airstream owners who have this kit installed at an Airstream dealership. All right, the only option direct with T-Mobile is going with their global 15 gigabyte plan. It's basically their one plan for smartphones with an add-on for their global international package. Total cost is $120 per month. And domestically in the US, which is what's important here, is you do get unlimited mobile hotspot use. They used to have an older plan that was much cheaper, but now it's $120 per month. And it does include some other international features as well, if those are important to you. But it is a smartphone plan. It is not available on their data-only devices or their hotspots. The only other option with T-Mobile is going with one of the many unlimited resellers out there. These are all third parties. Some of them may or may not have direct relationships with T-Mobile, but there are options starting at $70 per month on T-Mobile's network that you can go and lease a line on. Sprint, the carrier in fourth place. However, their coverage network is now including a lot of T-Mobile roaming due to the pending merger between the two carriers. They have an agreement to allow roaming, and we're seeing Sprint's coverage maps increase as a result of that, which means Sprint becomes a little bit more interesting. And they have some interesting options for high data usage. The first is going with one of the non-profits like Calyx Institute or PCs for People. You can get a plan that comes out to as little as $10 per month on the PCs for People, but you do have to be low income qualified to get that plan. Or with Calyx, it comes out to be about $33 per month after you buy the hotspot device. But with those, you're becoming a member of the nonprofit and you're just getting the plan as a benefit, which does mean if they lose their deal with a carrier or anything goes wrong, really you're not going to get a refund on it, and you do have to kind of prepay for a year up front. But it is a great option on Sprint's network. The next option, if you are a member of the FMCA, that's the Family Motor Coach Association for RV owners, you do qualify for a $49.99 per month lease on a Sprint plan. It does come with a mobile hotspot device that is okay, but it doesn't have antenna ports, and Sprint is really hard to do signal enhancing on without antennas. So keep that in mind, but that is an option for FMCA members, and that plan is actually pretty good. Unlike the Verizon Unlimited plan, which is really capped at 25 gigabytes. Direct with Sprint, you have two options. If you want to go with a smartphone, they have their Unlimited Premium plan, which includes 100 gigabytes of high-speed mobile hotspot use. That's a lot of hotspot off of a phone. And then they also have a dedicated hotspot plan for $50 per month that includes 50 gigabytes of high-speed mobile hotspot use. So those are options direct with Sprint if you want to go stay direct with the carrier. All right, that's a wrap up of the top pick data plans that we see right now as of March 2019. We do have a guide that goes along with this video. You can find it at mobileinternetinfo.com/plan picks. And if any of this changes, it will be updated there. And then if there's enough changes, we will get a video out in a few months. Thank you to our premium members, our mobile internet aficionados who make it possible for us to track this information and keep you updated with these free video updates. If mobile internet is an important part of your lifestyle, do consider becoming a member. Not only will you be supporting the work that we do, you'll get a bunch of extra perks. All right, we'll see you next time.